We just arrived at Grand Hotel Tijuana, and the front looks like this. 4,500 bar. We got Baja French. Yeah. Hello world, this is AML, and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Grand Hotel here in Tijuana, Mexico. Okay, so let's get right into it. So once again, I am in Grand Hotel Tijuana. All right, behind me is the door, the evacuation point. All right. I feel like this is metal. It feels metal. You got the peephole right here. And to my left, you have your closet. Closet with plenty of hangers. Okay. You have your safe deposit box. And some shelves here. It's not soft closed though. And place where you put your shoes. Ample space. For my opinion, you can fit 2 large luggages here. All right. Ironing board and iron, extra pillows and blanket. All right, to my right, mid-size mirror. You have your sink, 2 glasses, your complimentary facial soap, shampoo, lotion, and conditioner. You have your body soap and your shoe polisher. I'm definitely gonna keep this. And your shower cap. Tissue. Your Sunbeam hair dryer. I think this goes here though, right? It looks better like that, right? You know, I'm not a fan, but you can't never be wrong with Grand Hotel Tijuana. To the management team, it's just a suggestion, it's not a complaint. I think it's time to renovate. It's just my opinion, right? From, you know, an honest opinion here, we need to upgrade to a standalone shower because this is dated. Anyhow, ample towels. That looks like a washcloth. You know, your shower and your rail, just in case, you know, you don't want to slip. You got to hold on to the rail. And your toilet bowl. Okay, and that's the door. All right, where you could hang your towels. If you have something like wet, you could put it over here and dry it. You know, like I said before, each hotels offer different amenities, different, you know, unique style to it, and this is one of them. All right, so that's the bathroom. We are moving on. Okay, here is your, I would say, your lounge section, or you could put your stuff here, but I placed my stuff in the closet. You could just maybe sit down here. Your TV, not that big, but you know, I hardly watch TV anyway when I'm in a hotel. Long table, and that's your lamp, and your workspace is right here, which is decent. And also it's carpeted. The floor is carpeted, y'all. Okay. And I'm gonna turn up this light, let y'all check out the view. This is the view, my view. Still beautiful view. Look at those mountainous area over there. Beautiful. Okay. Look at all that population. Beautiful. And on the bottom is the golf course. Beautiful, beautiful view. You know, right now I got this room for $85 per night. Usually it'll go easy $150 a night, but I got a good deal off Expedia, which is my go-to booking. Expedia, you know, and you could try all these third-party apps as well, but Expedia gave it away for 85 or 87 per night. Pretty good. All right, that's the view. Can't get enough of it. Beautiful weather. A bit chilly, but the sun makes it warmer. No complaints there. All right, turning on the light. And you know, this has a blackout curtains. The blackout curtains could use some cleaning. I don't know what that is, but view. The view is great. Let me see the view here. We are on the 23rd floor. Turn off this light too again. 23rd floor. Beautiful view. I wish they had a balcony where I could just chill out, you know, but I'm not complaining. Oh, that's probably the receptionist because I forgot my ID. Okay, so yes, that was the receptionist. I did forget my passport card, but I'm gonna come get it right now. I'm gonna come get it. So before I show you the beds, let me turn these lights on for better ambience. So this is the bed. All right, I avail for two queen size bed. Right. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's clean. All right. And you have your mirror here. It's clean, right? no mildew smell, and yeah. And that's the bed. I think I'm gonna pick this one. Ugh. Yeah, it's comfy. Okay, all right. First and foremost, let me discuss about the check-in process. The receptionist, Sophia, thank you. You made the check-in process a breeze. Sophia, that's her name. Very professional. She made 2 copies of a paper. She produced 2 papers, and then she made me sign both of them. Then she made 2 copies of key cards, and then she asked for a credit card, a physical credit card for incidentals. And once she handed me the key card, I was on my way. Here we are now. The room is carpeted floor. Even though it's carpeted floor, there's no mildew smell. It's clean. There's a few minor stains, but that's the wear and tear of the hotel room. So I would say it's part of the hotel business. All right. It's quiet thus far. Excellent. As you can see, I showed you earlier. Excellent. Great view here from the room. Ample space in the closet. No popcorn ceilings. The bed seems comfortable. Once again, I stayed here before. This is my second time around staying in Grand Hotel Tijuana. In reference to the bathroom, that's my only gripe. The bathroom, the shower is a bathtub shower. I prefer hotel rooms with standalone shower. Honestly, I don't know, it's just one of those days that I just couldn't make up my mind on which hotels to try out. And I guess I just made a decision based on familiarity, okay? And based on comfortability. And for sure, you'll definitely get those 2 things here. And upstairs, they have a pool section, which is not bad, and restaurants where you could eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So staff are friendly, no complaints. So the room, so if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.